I still remember the first time I tried to walk in heels. Not on a runway, not at a fancy party, but in my bedroom, holding on to the wall like it owed me money. The heels were beautiful, shiny, confident, powerful. Me? I looked like a newborn giraffe questioning all its life choices. If you've ever slipped your feet into heels and thought, who lied and said this was easy? Welcome home. This is Footwear Diaries, and today we're talking about how to walk in heels, not just with your feet, but with confidence. Because walking in heels isn't about suffering, it's about mastery. Part 1. The Heel Myth. Let's clear something up right now. Walking in heels is not about forcing yourself to look perfect. It's not about copying models step for step, and it's definitely not about pain being the price of beauty. Heels are a conversation between your body and the ground, and like any good conversation, it takes practice, patience, and rhythm. Every woman who looks effortless in heels, she once struggled too. Yes, even her. Part 2. Start with the right heels. Before we talk about walking, let's talk about the shoes, because some heels are built for drama, not beginners. If you're starting out, go for a chunky heel or block heel. Keep the height 2 to 3 inches. Avoid slippery soles. Traction is your best friend. Think of these heels as your training wheels. You're not downgrading, you're leveling up wisely. At Footwear Diaries, we don't rush elegance, we grow into it. Part 3. The First Step Story. Back to that bedroom moment. I took one step, then another, then panic. Here's the secret no one tells you. Heels are walked heel to toe, not toe to heel. Land gently on the heel, roll forward to the toe. Slow, controlled, intentional. If flats are a sprint, heels are a slow dance. And guess what? Slow looks confident. Part 4. Posture is everything. Now, pause for a second. How are you standing? If your shoulders are slouched and your head is down, heels will expose it immediately. Here's your checklist. Head up, eyes forward, shoulders relaxed, not stiff, core slightly engaged, back straight but natural. Imagine a string gently lifting you from the top of your head. Not stiff, not robotic, just powerful. Heels don't create confidence, they reveal it. Part 5. Small steps, big energy. One of the biggest beginner mistakes? Taking giant steps. This isn't a marathon, it's a moment. Shorter steps give